A nice bit of sandy road, and if you follow that track it goes that way, and then you get this. Check at that stoffball. His face and everything's the same colour as the sand.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Roadside motor court, cabins made of sandstone. Traveling in style was a port in the storm. Those walls could talk, stories they could tell, son. Roadside motor court used to keep you safe and warm.
Is this cactus big or what?
Steek hierdie goed, hoor?
Yeah.
You don't want to fall into one of these.
No.
Prachtige scenery. You like it?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so nice to be in an area where there's a variety of things to look at again. The amazing colours in the rocks, unbelievable. Awesome God who created all of this.
Look at that. Beautiful. Jantie hier maak choripan. Dit is anders soos 'n boerewors rolletjie. Dan wag dit gaar, dan gaan ons van eet. Daar was nog ons regtig netjies. Heel oulik.
But now there's holes in the roof and weeds by the door. The building's still there, but they don't see no travelers no more. I guess they used to grow cotton on these tired old farms. Fill their wagons time and again with their weary old arms. They'd get some money at the gin, pay some credit at the store. They scratched and they worked at the land till the dirt got poor. Now that old cotton gin's some kind of second-hand store. The building's still there, but they don't gin no cotton no more. There used to be dancing at the log cabin bar, laughing and carrying on, making out in the car. They used to put sawdust on the concrete floor.
Kijk, hy mooi uitsig agter. Die son het hier gesak, maar daar skyn hy nog. Dit is maar mooi. Sien, hier is ons kombuis en ons badkamer.
Kombuis en badkamer.
Ja. Hier was ons gesig. Lake 360 viewfield hier.